Good morning, everyone. This is one of the topic of Group 4 about family life and home economics, which is taga-assign sa kay Ashley o sa ako, which is ang titled Socioeconomic Factors Affecting Families. So, in our introduction, no, socioeconomic factors are the social and economic conditions that affect family life. So, meaning to say, these are the social and economic situation na mag-influence how families live and grow. Example is income, education, job, and social class. So, kini siya ng mga factors no kay mag-shape how families live, communication, and make decision and everyday's life nila. So now let's proceed on the major socioeconomic factors. So there are four major socioeconomic factors. So the first one is income level. So kani siya na is affect lifestyle and financial stability, including na niri ang ilang ma-afford para sa ilang pagpatukod og balay sa pagkaon and even sa ilang healthcare and education. For example, no kanang a family with a high income maka-afford sila ng private school for their children and better healthcare. While ang low income family kana sila is may possibility na mag-struggle sila sa pagbayad sa ilang bills o mga basic needs nila sa adlaw-adlaw. Now, the second one no is education. Determines job opportunities and awareness. Well, of course, makuha na rin matakil na ang ilang health, rights, and social services. For example, someone nga na ay college degree have most likely to get a well-paying job compared sa someone na high school diploma lang, maglisod pa sila gahanap ng work because of the requirements or standards sa isa ka company or gusto nila trabahuan. So, and the third one no is occupation. It influence time, stress, and family life balance. So, kanino, for example, ang isa ka parents na trabaho siya in a high stress and long hour job. Well, of course, maless jud ang iyang time para i-spend sa iyang mga anak. Unlike sa mga parents na na regular 9 to 5 job, they have enough time para makaspend sa ilang mga bata. So the next one is social status. So affects how families are viewed and treated in a society. So dili it will affecting their social opportunities and support. For example, ani nun isa ka pamilya na naay higher social status well of course no expected na makareceive sila ng more respect and also dali ra ilang access sa social clubs or networks than those from a lower status. So now we're done naman no sa major socioeconomic factors. So let's proceed to the effect on family life. So the first one is sa health. Income affects nutrients and medical care. So, well, of course, no. Pag may isa ka pamilya na what we call may kaya, makapalit jud sila mga healthier food and access regular doctors visit. While sa low-income families, expected na mag-struggle jud sila bayad sa ilang medical bills and poor nutrition na mag-lead into health issue. So the second one is education. Children from wealthy families often have more learning support. So, ang mga let's say mga dato na mga anak will of course makareceive jud sila more learning support parihaan ng may pa-tutor or mga books and extracurricular activities which is makapa-enhance sa ilang academic success. And also, maka-choose silang school na ilang gusto. Unlike sa mga low income na family, limit lang ang ilang makuha. At the same time, may uban sad na mga anak dili maka-eskwela. It's because of financial problem. So the third one is relationship. Many money problems can cause stress and conflict. So nowadays, no, one of the reasons that ang isa ka pamilya is magkagobot, it's because of the money matter. So financial problem can create stress among family members jud. For example, ting bayad nag kuryente but wala mo'y kwarta, at the same time nawad-an og work imong father. Makakos jud na siya arguments between sa mama o sa papa na maka-affect sa family harmony and communications. So the last one is opportunities. Better status means more chances for success. So, siya is, if ang family nasa higher socio-economic status, well, of course, na sila more access to social networks o have better schools and job opportunities na mag-increase sa ilang chances para mahimong successful. So, in general, this effect show how socioeconomic status shapes the overall well-being and development of families, impacting both immediate life and long-term outcomes. And that's all. Thank you.